Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make Zaru Soba. Zaru Soba is Japanese cold noodles eat as lunch or dinner. We appreciate cold noodles on hot summer day. Usually I serve Zaru Soba with tempura to make it more satisfying. Let's get started. First, let's prepare Mentsuyu for soba. This one is slightly sweeter compared to my regular Mentsuyu. It goes well with summer cold noodles. Put all the ingredients in a pot and turn the heat to very low. When it comes to 60 degrees Celsius and the kombu kelp expand, take it out before slimy. Continue cooking until it comes to a boil, then simmer for 5 minutes. Pass through a sieve and let it cool to room temperature. Don't forget to make niban dashi. For more information, take a look at my Mentsuyu video. Meanwhile, let's prepare the condiment. You can't have zaru soba without chopped scallion, grated ginger or wasabi, whichever you want it for spicy kick, and shredded nori. You can make it easily with kitchen shears. Set aside. Now let me show you how to make easy tempura. This is dry aosa seaweed from Amami Island, where my father from. My grandmother used to make the tempura and I loved it so much. Aosa seaweed is easy to prepare like any other dried seaweed. Just pour some water and rehydrate fully. Today I cheat with super useful pre-mixed tempura flour. Add in tempura mix and stir until you get this consistency. Heat the vegetable oil for frying to 180 degrees Celsius. Drop a spoonful of butter. Poke it with your chopstick to get through the oil so you can get crispy tempura. I also made fresh corn tempura for my son. He loves it. Deep fry until outside is crispy to touch. Take out onto a rack and drain the excess oil. Now let's boil the soba. We boil soba at the last minute before eat to keep the aroma. You will need a big pot to cook. I always use a wok. Bring 10 to 15 cups of water to a boil and add in the soba. You don't need to add any salt like you are boiling the pasta. Stir not to stick each other and cook according to your package instruction. When it's ready, drain in a mesh strainer. Keep the soba water for later use. Rinse under cold running water, changing the water several times until the water comes out clean. Add ice cubes to create the al dente texture. This is how I serve. Arrange your soba noodles in a small portion, making into a circle. It is more comfortable to take one portion with chopsticks into a dipping sauce. This mesh tray is called zaru, so we call it zaru soba. Pour Mentsuyu in an individual pot and dilute with water. Transfer tempura to a dish, and the zaru soba is ready to enjoy. Put some grated ginger and scallion and soba noodles into an individual pot. Add in nori and slop. It tastes so good and the soba has a unique aroma and texture and it's so refreshing. Aosa seaweed tempura is crispy and smells like the ocean. Dip in Mentsuyu and you can enjoy the other way to taste tempura. Corn kernels pop in your mouth when you give it a bite. So sweet and juicy, nothing to compare. Last but not least, this is how to enjoy soba water. After eating the soba, pour hot soba cooked water to your Mentsuyu bowl as much as you want. Drink it for the finishing of the soba dinner. Soba and soba water lower your blood pressure, control blood sugar, and many more health benefits. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Tap the bell icon to be the first one to know my video is updated. For more information, go to my website princessbamboo.com. And please follow me on my social media to connect one another. Lastly, if you are wondering what I'm using in the video, go and check my store on Amazon. All the link is in the description box below. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!